unpack another item or multiple items here. So we received this January 29 with the amount of 1,096 pesos or around $21.5. That's it. So this for my recording purposes again. So this is another set of Smallrig arms. It's pretty well packaged, really good. So let's try to open it carefully. Okay. Okay. I got it. So this is it. I'm really satisfied with the quality of this particular rotating arms. Warranty certificate. Okay. Let's try the longer one first. So there's some stains on the box, but still it's fine. So this is 9.5 inches articulating arm, 2066B. Let's go. Why I cannot pull it properly? It's still sealed, right? So but it's a little bit damaged. The box is a little bit damaged. So let's open the seal. There we go. Alright. So we have these 9.5 inches bendable or foldable arm, which is really good. I'm really satisfied with it. Unlike the cheaper ones that I previously bought, those are really disappointing. Okay. And the smaller but thicker one, it's also sealed, no damage on the box. Let's open the seal. There we go. So this is what? Super clamp mount with 1/4 screw ball head mount. That's good. So they have a resealable pouch, plastic pouch, and inside there is a lot of contents. Oh, nice. This is really good. This is a really good quality item. Alright. You see that? See this one? This one? It's really nice. When you loosen this, you can move the ball head so that you can position it any way you want. Okay? Then you can connect it here also. Yeah, this one you can connect here. I really like it. I really like it. This is a really good item. See, you can see the quality, right? You can see the quality. Look at that. Look at that. Really good. Really nice. Let's see the other contents. So we have here, I haven't received any of this yet. And this is part of the ball head screw right here. Oh, sorry about that. So you can loosen this. I think, where was it? I'll discover it next time. This one you can put it here. The purpose of this is you can snap this on tripods or on camera holders. Okay. The best thing to do it is with this one. So that you can lock it properly. Okay. So that's it. This one also works properly. And if you are a bit short, you can combine all of this. Okay. So you can add a ball head here. You can add a ball head there so that you can have some adjustments. Right? So this would be the there we go. This will be the part where you can put some LED lights or the camera. Okay, and we can remove this as well. Okay, remove that. We can connect it here. So everything works. Everything works as expected. No problem whatsoever. Okay, really sturdy. All metal except for the rubber stoppers here and here. And that's it. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.